In this video, let's learn how to change lock screen notification show or hide. You can see when I receive a notification, I can see notifications on my lock screen. We can show or hide this feature. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to notifications option. In here, click on this lock screen notifications option. You can see now I enable show content option. You can select on this hide content as you like. In this method, you can change your lock screen notification show or hide versions.